Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things shall be given to you as well. Hey girl, I just scratched the heck out of myself. Like, I broke skin. Did y'all see that? Like, that just hurt. Okay, gather yourself and let's start again. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. Ooh, my voice. It is day 8, y'all. And listen, this video almost did not happen because today has been a day. I literally almost got scammed by someone pretending to be a major brand, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about this makeup. So let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all know the drill. Brows first per you. So I'm just go ahead and do that. I wish it was that easy to do my brows, but I digress. I'm taking that same palette that we used in yesterday's video, which if you have not seen that, homegirl, I need you to stop right here. Go watch day 7, then come back to day 8, okay? Okay. But anyway, yes, it's the Jaclyn Hill palette for those of you who remember. And you already know I'm using my P. Louise base, which I'm almost out. And I don't think I'm going to get this. I'm actually going to try the base from B. Marie. I don't know if you all watch her, but she is a phenomenal makeup artist who has a channel as well, and she has her own product line. So I definitely want to try that out because I'm here to provide you all with the best quality products after I try them, and I be, the test dummy. But anyway, I'm going in with that deepest shade Cinnamon Roll, and wow, this is really pigmented and a lot darker than what I expected, because when you look at it in the actual palette, it doesn't look this dark. And when I used it yesterday, I guess because I used it on top of another shade, you didn't really see the depth that this color has, but it has a lot of depth and I'm feeling that. So I'm just packing that in with a fluffy brush, and of course it's a Morphe brush. Let me find it so I can tell you which brush. All right, girl, I had to go get my brush, but it's an M505 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. I typically use these for blending, but because I'm doing a smoky eye, I need to cover as much space as possible, and so I'm just going to use that. A lot of times you're doing makeup, especially when you're learning, you think that your makeup is not good, but really you're just using the wrong brushes, the wrong tools. So if you want to know how to use brushes and tools properly, let me know down in the comments. I could do a separate video for that, but I'm rambling now. Let's get back to this look. So, we like to do smooth, clean transitions. So we are going to literally kiss the edge of where we applied that cinnamon roll color with this next color, and it's called Booked. I love all the names in this palette. Like, and there we go. I'm getting a text message. I don't know why people love to text me while I'm doing these voiceovers, but they're going to have to wait because this is our time, homegirl. This is our bonding time. But anyway, yeah, so you all know I say this all the time in all my makeup tutorials and videos that blending is very tedious. So it's just a lot of back and forth with packing on the colors, seeing how you like it, and getting into that perfect blending that we like. So that's just what I'm going to be doing. Because this look is extremely simple, I literally only needed those 2 colors. But the main thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to diffuse where we added that booked color, because again, we do smooth, clean transitions over here on this channel, okay? And another thing I did want to say is I am going to try to stick to using one palette at a time when it comes to my makeup videos, just because I know everybody doesn't have access to all the same products or doesn't want to spend the amount of money that I spend on my products. So I'm going to stick to using one palette. So you're going to get like 3 other looks from the same palette. So if you have this one, here you go, and you get all these looks. So let me just go ahead and do this other eye and I'm gonna come back. One sec. Okay, so now it's time to add the shimmer to this look, just to, bring it a little extra life. It's kind of dull right now, and honestly, I'm not feeling it, but we about to bring it back to life, okay? We about to be sparkling to go to the living room. Now, I could not decide which color I wanted to use between, it's called Birthday Suit and Dripping. They are both really, really, really pretty gold colors, and you're about to see in a second. Like, look at how beautiful those look. I really didn't know what I wanted to do, so I ended up just using both, and this is just a close-up so you can see. Look at how the light just reflects off of those. Just beautiful. Like, girl, what? Yeah, it's giving. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and add that to my lid. We'll use both of those, and yeah, you're gonna see me do that. And because I really want to focus that shimmer onto my lid, I'm going to be using a flat brush, and it's also from Morphe. All of my brushes, pretty much all of my brushes are Morphe. So, you know, if you really rock with your girl, head over to my Instagram and tag Morphe under my post so they can know that I'm a true supporter of their brushes. But anyway, I'm using my M124 brush to just pack that shimmer on. I had to play with the lighting in this video because it was hard to get like a true view of like how the glitter, not glitter because it's not glitter, how it actually shimmers on my eye. So if the light starts changing, that is why. Now I'm not doing my face clearly because I have full face makeup on now, but I do want to show you guys something. Like, look at this. That is my Fenty bronzer. I know. I always use my Juvia's Place, but this time we're gonna go with Miss Fenty because I just want more of a softer contour. I didn't want to do too much. That's why this look is a little more lax than, well, I said lax. Lax was short for relaxed. If you didn't get that, I'm pretty sure because my homegirls, we smart. But anyway, yeah, I wanted something a little softer, more relaxed look. Even though my eyes are pretty bold than what I usually do, I still wanted the whole look in general to be more relaxed. So that's why I'm going to be using my Fenty. And not saying that this doesn't give, you know, it doesn't give glam. It does. It's just not as glam as the Juvia's Place. Like, the Juvia's Place makes you, you know, it makes a statement. This is a little more subtle and a little more like everyday for the average everyday person. So I'm going to go with that because we're going to the living room, literally the living room. Okay, but let's get back to the eye because that's the point of this video. Y'all know I can get long-winded and I will talk your ear off if you let me. But I'm using my Juvia's Place liner in the shade Cocoa. And if you know from last video, brown liner is just, okay? Like, it's the perfect shade. Like, brown liner, orange blush, and a brown lip liner. Every black girl needs to have those three in their makeup bag. Like, and try not to stab yourself in the eye like I just did. Plus, I wear contacts because your girl cannot see. So, wearing contacts and then being this close to my eye and my eyes be dry, girl, I just, be careful if you like me. And this is the final look. And listen, to be honest, I was not feeling it, but looking at it now, your girl looks good, okay? I'm not really a shimmer shadow girl, but this is really doing it for me. This eyeshadow palette is like universal. I think you definitely need this in your makeup bag. But I just want to say thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Bye.